Once you've signed a lease and are moving in, make sure to document all damages and problems that you see.
Ask the property manager for a move-in checklist to run through. Going through this will help avoid missing items that may later count against your deposit.
Take date-stamped photos of the unit, make a copy for your records, and provide a copy to your landlord within the first 7 days of the lease term. You should get renter's insurance because it protects your belongings from theft or property damage. The landlord's policy does not cover your personal belongings, and the cost is typically low.
Get to know your neighbors. When an issue arises, it is much easier to discuss with a neighbor to resolve it if you know each other. After you move in, invariably something in your rental unit will not work. The fridge, oven, a leaking faucet, or some other issue may arise. So what should you do if something goes wrong after you move in?
Check the lease for notification procedures. Some property managers may have online request forms. If not, notify the property manager in writing. Let the property manager know the problem and the date it started. Follow up with a phone call.
Depending on what it is, allow a reasonable time for the landlord to schedule and get the item repaired or replaced. If the item does not get repaired after you notify the landlord in a reasonable time, contact Neighborhood and Development Services to report the issue for Iowa City properties. If this is a code violation, the city can assist in enforcing the housing code.
You can contact NDS at 319-356-5135 or report online using the city's app, ICGov Express. If a serious issue goes unresolved, you may need legal advice to address the problem.
If you are a University of Iowa student, you can access student legal services for free. They can provide confidential, high-quality advice on your rights as a renter.
Eligible low-income Iowans can access free legal help from Iowa Legal Aid for civil law problems, including housing. The website has helpful information on tenant rights.
Fair housing is a right that everyone has. The Fair Housing Act and the Iowa City Fair Housing Ordinance protect people from discrimination for reasons such as age, race, disability, sexual orientation, and other protected groups. If you believe you have been the victim of discrimination, report it by contacting the City of Iowa City Human Rights Office. You can file your housing complaint online, through email, or in person.